I see your smile, and it's so much sweeter after all that I've been through. And when we laugh, I get a glimpse of forever, and I praise God that I found you. And anytime someone asks me how it all unfolded, I tell them such incredible chances make for marvelous love. And just like the sun lights up the moon, this love is a reflection